Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is a Friday, October 4th, 2024. Let's take a look at the XRP quoted to Tether at zondacrypto, because XRP is our altcoin of the week, and the reason that we chosen for the XRP to be the altcoin of the week is this piece of the recent trading activity. As you can see, this is a daily time frame chart. Every candle is a daily candle, daily change of the end range of the prices on the XRP. We can clearly see that something happened here when the market hit the level of 0.66. Then we got the inside bar, but the red inside bar, and the big upper shadow here, just in the area, just above the area of the highs from the end of the July 2024 and the middle of the July 2024. So this this zone might be easily identified. So let's just do it. We got this high here, obviously. So this is the technical resistance. Now we got this high here, and eventually we got this double top, and that's about it. That's the zone that we know it's kind of important for our analysis. 0.6350, 0.6552. Local high was and the swing high, new one, was made at the 0.66, as I said, and then the market reversed way lower. So there is increased bearish pressure roughly around this area. We've seen it before. We've seen it on the when the tops for the July were made, basically, right? So we know that this is the bearish zone, bearish area. They are dominant there. All right, and then we broke below the trend line support, the horizontal support 0.60. We broke below the range lower zone at 0.56, and we ultimately made a new low at the level of 0.51 exactly. So we almost hit the technical support that was made before the new local marginal swing high was made at 0.66, and this level is, let me just place the line, there you go, 0.50.37, and this is where we are heading right now, from this high to this low. So basically, if we take a look at this chart, we can see that after this local highs around 0.63, 0.65 were done, we got this very nice zone here. Extreme low was 0.43, and then we're back here. There is the zone, there is the zone, and now we are approaching the zone lower support. It all looks like a false breakout to the upside and then sudden reversal. So maybe we should see another bounce to the upside from this zone, roughly around 0.50, and then of course we can stop somewhere here in the middle, or again test the supply zone between 0.63, 0.66. We don't know what the market will do. However, we got the levels that might identify very interesting price levels on the daily time frame chart. What's next is again quite interesting. From the lows of this is the May 2024, and this is basically the trend line here. You can clearly see that this market is quite technical as well. If we place our trend line here, make it orange in color, we can see that there is a breakout below this trend line. This is the low made in the sorry, this is July 2024. So from the July 2024 towards the, well, basically the beginning of the October 2024, there is a trend line that was violated just recently, right? So it looks like this market wants to go basically lower. It wants to go lower after this very nice trend line has been basically violated. We might see this on the RSI indicator. Well, if we apply our RSI indicator, you can clearly see that we almost hit this level of the 70 here to mark the extremely overbought conditions on the daily time frame chart, and then very suddenly we reversed and hit the level of 35 points almost, right? Bears are in charge of the XRP market. they rejected the upside breakout, made a false breakout to the downside. They broke below this 3 months old trend line. They are approaching first key technical support, second technical support, and the third key technical support before the swing low is being hit. Let me just mark this swing low with a very important, let's say, level. There you go. So we know now this is the key longer term technical support for the market participants. It doesn't actually looks like there is some kind of a triangle being built this time on the daily time frame chart of the XRP. It more looks like a false attempt of the breakout out of this range here, right? False or forced attempt to break out and then reverse out to the downside. Bears are in charge of the XRP. Please keep an eye on the horizontal technical support levels, as the extension to the downside might continue. There is still some room here on the RSI before we will hit the extremely oversold conditions. There is still room to the downside before we will hit first, second, and third technical support levels. So bulls are in charge of the market. Please stay focused, stay vigilant as the market develops another wave to the downside. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.